Hi guys, so today I will show you how you can download Python offline, Python 3. So open your browser and type python.org in the URL section, and then you will see this screen. Click on downloads. Don't click, just go on that download, and here you can see I have the latest version 3.10.5. So click on it. So it will download here. Then double click on it to open, and here it will show like this. Click on add Python 3.10 to path, then customize installation I'm using. So this screen will show. I will next it, and here I will do install for all users and download for debugging. You can do as you want, and if you want to change the file location by choosing your browse, you can change the file location, but I am choosing this customize installation location only. So install, and here it will show like this. Click on yes, and it will download you. So here it has been downloaded, and now click on close. Now go on the search bar and or the start bar. You can see the Python, but it is not showing. Search for Python. So if you search for Python, here I have Windows 11, so it shows like this, but if it is another Windows, it will show other. So click on idle Python 3.10 64-bit, and here it shows like this to me. If I type here 3 plus 5 plus 6, answer gets me 14. If I type here 7 multiplied by 7, 7 sevens are 49. So here you can type some addition, subtraction, sums, or as you want. So click on your file, new file, and here if you type print hello world bracket apostrophe hello, again apostrophe to close and close bracket. Now click on run and run module, but it show this screen. It has been too saved, so I will save here, or wherever you want you can save. I am saving here on the desktop. Here I am saving this file as first file or first Python program. Now save, and here you can see it is showing hello world. Bye bye guys.